Learning how to chop, slice and dice properly can take a little practice, but it's worth it. This is known as a chef's knife. It has a sharp point and an edge with a slope. You can use this to chop, slice and dice ingredients. Wrap your hand around the handle, put your thumb on the back of the blade. This is safer and gives you more control. You can use a paring knife for smaller ingredients. You need a serrated knife for delicate fruit and veg or tougher skins. Keep your knives sharp. Sharp knives are safer. If you're right-handed, hold your ingredients securely with a claw-like grip in your left hand. If you're left-handed, vice versa.
Then curl your fingertips under and use your knuckles to guide the knife, preventing any cuts. To slice, move the knife in a forward and backward motion to make thin, even cuts.
To chop, lift the knife and bring it down in a controlled manner. For chopping, use a rocking motion like this, by pivoting the knife on the top of the blade. So, as you can see, using a knife correctly can help make cooking prep so much easier and quicker.